So please give us your brief introduction.
Hi Ayush, my name is Navisha and I am from Microsoft Singapore. I work as an enterprise specialist and I've been in the industry now for 12 plus years, worked across partner management, sales, and business operations. So, really happy to be a part of this conference and really enjoyed my time here.
So how do you see the industry evolving in next 5 years?
I personally feel that there is a lot which is coming in terms of AI, in terms of integration with technology. And also, there are so many facets that every industry is demanding. So, as we see the industry evolve in the next 5 years, we are also seeing technology sectors evolve and meet those client requirements. So, definitely, I see a lot of upcoming trends in terms of increase of a lot of content creation by marketers, advertisers, and everything that we are seeing has technology integrated in it. So definitely we see a lot of technology in the next 5 years. And I'm thinking that robotic engineering and all these face all these unheard terms that we would see. Now the world is just capturing everything by storm, and all these upcoming technologies are going to really flourish in 5 years because every industry has an audience. Every user is very aware and they are very sure of what's happening around, and they're very bold. So it's a great space for both the consumer and the business to be.
So what elements do you like the most about our conference?
I think personally, what I liked the best features of the conference was good quality of speakers. I learned a lot from my fellow speakers, their knowledge, and everyone had a very diverse experience, backgrounds, cultures also. It was not specific just to one type of technology or one type of people. Also, it was well organized in terms of telling the audience demands and the needs, and also preparing us to know what will be there in the conference, because this is my first time here and I didn't feel like one. So the organizers really made me feel as if I was at home, and I think I had a great and an engaging session. So thanks to the conference team which put it across, and from promoting it so well on LinkedIn and on so many social media sites. I think that was certain highlights for me for the session.
So which topic do you like the most in our conference? And who is the best speaker for you?
I think this is a very tough question to ask. And personally, I had so many learnings, so I can't rank a session which was the best. Definitely, I would like to go with my session because I'm hearing good feedback.
Yeah.
I think so many people came to me and spoke about it, but I don't want to talk like that about my own session. But I really like the one where content creation, video creation, and I think there are still some sessions which are left around that about AdWords, advertising. So I think all the sessions were great personally, but for me the audience feedback matters most. So let's hope that we get to hear about the best session from the organizers very soon.
So last question. One word for Digital Confex.
I think super cool, super nice, and looking to come back next year or this year.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you, Ayush.